This is the iRobot Roomba i3 Plus. It is currently the middle robot in the iRobot lineup. The Plus means that it includes the auto empty station, although the i3 without the Plus is actually the exact same robot, just with a standard charging base. The box is pretty big, like all auto emptying robots. The packaging designers have been playing Tetris to fit everything in. We have 3 separate compartments, one with the robot, one for spare parts, and then the auto empty dock. It is the same exact auto empty dock that is used on the other i-series Roombas. Inside the parts box, we have a spare dust bag for the dock, a spare filter, and the power cable. Then we have the Roomba itself. The grey is really different from other options on the market and is actually a physical texture, not just a print, which is pretty cool. Underneath we have iRobot signature dual rubber brushes in the bright green. And as always, there's a user manual and a quick start guide. It's all pretty easy. That's one of the things that iRobot mastered really early. It's user-friendly and it's designed for real people and not just geeks. So as you can see, you have everything you need to get started and to keep you going for the first 2 to 3 months. We've already begun using it and putting it through its paces, so we'll post a full video with all the info you need shortly, so make sure to subscribe.